Well, good and happy Friday or Saturday or Sunday or whatever day you happen to be viewing this video. Jim Hanson here, Academy Mortgage. And this is your video for the week. Can you say FHA? And remember, this is mortgage, real estate, and life. A little bit of mortgage at the beginning, maybe some real estate in the middle, and definitely some life stuff at the end. So anyway, FHA, can you say it? FHA. So FHA is becoming a prominent option for most consumers in considering what type of mortgage you want to put together for purchasing a home. We have this thing called FHA 100. It is super cool. It's a 100% loan. Actually, it's a 96.5% first, a 3.5% down second. The second can be forgivable, or you can amortize it. But either way, it covers your down payment. So now you got a 100% loan. Okay, 100% financing. In combination with that, here's a couple highlights. I'm going to read them because I can't, there's like 6 of them here. It's forgivable, I already said that, or amortized. You don't have to be a first-time home buyer. You do have to occupy it as your primary residence. You may have ownership in another property, but that property probably can't have an FHA loan on it because you can only have one FHA loan. You can have non-occupant co-borrowers, and that comes into play if you're needing to strengthen your credit file or you need a little income to help you qualify, so that works as well. You do have to have the counseling, so you have to take a first-time homebuyer class, approved first-time homebuyer class, and you can buy 2 units. So if you buy a duplex and live in one half and rent the other, get a little bit of money in there to offset your mortgage payment. So this is a viable option to consider when you're out there looking. So if you're a consumer, you need more information on it, please let me know. If you're a referral partner, realtor, financial planner, and person that has someone that is interested in it, please let me know. Here's my life thing. So I watched Evan Almighty. I think Steve Carroll's plays basically Noah. Morgan Freeman plays God. And at the very end, I've never seen this, I've watched the movie 2 or 3 times. So here's the end. The word ARC is an acronym for Act of Random Kindness. Let's leave it at that. Remember, serve others. Figure out how to help someone that's in need. And just randomly pay attention, and maybe that'll help you do something nice for somebody. Anyway, Jim Hanson, Academy Mortgage, 916-730-4402, jimhanson.net on the web. Wherever you are, whatever you're doing, have a super awesome day. And remember, please go to my YouTube channel and subscribe. I'm trying to build my subscribership. Would love it if you would do that. There's like 150 videos on my channel. Okay, all education. Have a good one. Thanks for tuning in. Take care.